Alright, throttle jockeys and adventure seekers. Ever dreamed of hitting the open road on two wheels? Taking a motorcycle road trip is an epic experience, but it takes a little planning. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. Let's get you geared up with a step-by-step guide to planning your first motorcycle road trip. First things first, where are you headed? Pick a destination that gets your engine revving. Maybe it's a coastal cruise, a mountain pass, or a cross-country adventure. Consider the season, weather, and road conditions. Don't be that guy riding in a blizzard. Check the weather forecast and make sure the roads are open and safe. Safety first, always. Next up, the route. Plan your route, but don't be afraid to be flexible. Use a GPS, map, or app to plot your course. Look for scenic routes, avoiding major highways if you want a more relaxed ride. Factor in daily mileage. Around 250 to 300 miles is a good starting point for beginners. Don't overdo it. Consider rest stops, gas stations, and potential overnight stays. Pre-book accommodations, especially during peak season. Nothing's worse than being stranded with nowhere to sleep. Packing is an art form. You'll need to pack light but smart. Start with a good quality, well-fitting helmet, riding jacket and pants with armor, gloves, and sturdy riding boots. These are non-negotiable. Layer your clothing for varying temperatures. Pack essentials like rain gear, sunscreen, and a basic first aid kit. Consider bringing tools for basic maintenance. Always have a tire repair kit. Use waterproof luggage, or pack your gear in waterproof bags. Spread the weight evenly across your bike. You don't want a wonky ride. Before you go, give your bike a thorough checkup. Make sure it's in tip-top shape. Check the tires, brakes, fluids, lights, and chain. Get it serviced if needed. Ensure your insurance and registration are up to date. Carry copies of your important documents. Take a practice ride to make sure you're comfortable with the loaded bike. You don't want any surprises on the road. Now, let's talk about riding. Pace yourself. Take breaks. Stay hydrated. Watch out for hazards like potholes, gravel, and wildlife. Ride defensively. Assume that other drivers don't see you. Be extra cautious at intersections. Use hand signals to communicate your intentions. Enjoy the journey, and don't rush. Finally, embrace the adventure. Be prepared for the unexpected. Things will probably go wrong, but that's part of the fun. Be flexible, and be ready to adapt. Stop and smell the roses. Take pictures. Talk to the locals. Make memories. And most importantly, have fun. Your first motorcycle road trip is a rite of passage. So, plan carefully, pack smart, ride safe, and enjoy every moment of the open road. Happy riding, folks!